How to enable Gemini on any Android phone. Once it's set up, pressing the power button or using your Assistant shortcut will launch Gemini Assistant. First, make sure your Google app and Gemini app are updated from the Play Store. Now, open the Google app, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Next, tap Gemini or Google Assistant, depending on what appears on your phone. After that, look for the Digital Assistance from Google option. Tap it, and you'll see two choices, Google Assistant and Gemini. Select Gemini, then tap Switch to Gemini. If this is your first time, you'll see a welcome screen. Simply tap Use Gemini and complete the setup. That's it. Now press and hold the power button or use your phone's assistant gesture, and Gemini will open as your default AI assistant. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips and how-to tutorials.